It's Shark Week. Are you ready for an encounter with Bruce? Hello and welcome to Shark Week at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Before Bruce the Shark showed up in Finding Nemo, he was the man-eating machine terrorizing Amity Island in the movie Jaws. Here's a boozy tribute to the fearsome fish who kept people out of the water in 1975. To make it, all you do is combine 1 ounce of dark Jamaican rum, 1 ounce spiced rum, 3/4 of an ounce blood orange liqueur, and 1/2 ounce fresh lime juice in a shark mug with ice. Top with a splash of chilled grapefruit soda and 5 dashes of cranberry bitters. Don't forget to feed him a skinny dipper. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.